welcome back to my channel. And as you can see from the title, this is a giveaway video, and yeah, I'm super excited for this video. So first of all, I am like so thankful to you guys who are subscribed to me. You're making me grow. I'm super happy and I'm so grateful. Literally, I am very grateful, and I am so thankful to Lady Raga bag as well, because they have sponsored this giveaway for my subscribers. That means for you guys. So a big thank you to them as well to sponsoring this giveaway. First, I'll let you know what all you will be getting, and फिर उसके बाद rules पे चलेंगे. So first of all, you will be getting this bag, this pretty bag. It's like a floral baby yellow printed bag, really pretty, really nice bag. Yeah, this is the first thing you'll be getting in the giveaway. Also, you'll be getting all the things inside this bag. So देखते हैं क्या क्या है इसमें. You will be getting, this is Wok activated charcoal oil control exfoliating facial scrub. This is for oily to sensitive skin. And the amount of product you're getting here is 100 ml, that is 3.5 fluid ounce, and this is worth rupees 425. So as it's summers, a lot of you guys like secrete a lot of extra oil, so I think this is very nice for summers. It's like an oil controlling face scrub for you guys. Yeah, so that's that. So the next thing you'll be getting is, and this is by Fuchsia, this is their cherry care hand and nail cream. So this is the cream, and this retails for 450 Indian rupees. So you'll be getting this as well. And oh my god, it smells really nice. It smells like cherry. Yeah, so you'll be getting like this. And then you'll be getting, this is bubble wrapped, but I already have this with me. This is a mineral blush, and it's a very pretty pink shade. This is Geo Girl Cutie Pie mineral blush, and this is in the shade Rosy, and this retails for 895 Indian rupees. It's a really pretty pink. You'll love it if you're like a pink blush lover. So yeah, you'll be getting this as well. And lastly, you'll be getting these gorgeous earrings. Look at these earrings. Oh my god, I love them. I feel like keeping it to myself, but they have sponsored it for you guys, so I'll be definitely be giving it to you guys. And these earrings retails for 320 Indian rupees. So yeah, so you will be getting 5 of the items including the bag, and the total worth of the giveaway is 2,489. And I'm so grateful and thankful to Lady Raga bag that they have sponsored this giveaway for you guys. And yeah, so you'll be getting all these things. Super happy and super excited for you guys. And now let's just come to the rules. First of all, you have to be my subscriber. You know, you have to be my subscriber. This giveaway is for my subscriber. So आपको मेरा subscriber होना ही पड़ेगा अगर आपने ये giveaway में enter करना है या फिर ये giveaway जीतना है. And second rule is that you have to follow me on Instagram, and you have to follow Lady Raga bag as well on Instagram, because they are sponsoring this giveaway, so you need to follow them as well. I will be linking their links in the description box, so you can check it out. And I will be posting a picture on Instagram about this giveaway, and you have to tag 2 of your friends there to spread the word. Yes, so you have to tag 2 of your friends to spread the word and to enter the giveaway. Yes, and then you have to comment on this video anything. Yeah, so those are the simple rules, so you have to follow. And yeah, jaldi se enter kijiye to win the giveaway. And so yeah, that's it for the giveaway, and I wish you a very best of luck, good luck, hope you win. That's it for this video. And if you're new to my channel and still haven't subscribed yet, then please subscribe first and then enter this giveaway. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay beautiful and stay healthy. Bye bye.